Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the lock type and backset because drilling the wrong position ruins fit. Once you have the template, hold it flush and mark the hole centers, door face and edge, using a level to ensure straight alignment. Make sure to set the door on a stable surface or keep it hung with someone steadying it. Put on safety glasses and arrange your drill, hole saw, chisel, and tape. From here, you drill the face hole first to avoid splitting the door later. After drilling the face hole, clean torn grain by slicing tape-backed edges so the trim stays neat. Next, drill a pilot into the door edge and chisel a shallow mortise for the latch plate so it sits flush. This prevents binding. Insert the latch and check that the spindle aligns through the face hole smoothly. Once aligned, temporarily fasten the latch and operate the mechanism to confirm smooth throw and clearance. If binding occurs, deepen or enlarge the mortise slightly and recheck. Place the exterior and interior lock assemblies together, guiding the spindle through the latch and tightening screws evenly. Do not over-torque. Close the door and mark the strike plate position where the bolt touches the jamb, then chisel a shallow recess so the plate sits flush. Test full locking action and deadbolt extension. If binding occurs, open the plate and file the hole slightly or add a thin shim behind the plate. Once smooth, tighten all screws. Test 3 to 5 times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.